Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming administrative access so you can change the Wi-Fi password. Use a device already connected to the fiber router and note the router IP address from network settings. Once done, open a browser and enter that IP. If a login prompt appears, enter the admin username and password. This is different from your wireless key. Make sure you're using the router's admin account rather than a guest account before moving to wireless settings. Once logged in, navigate to wireless, WLAN, or Wi-Fi settings. The labels vary by firmware. You'll see separate SSIDs for 2, 4 GHz and 5 GHz. Choose the network you want to update and locate the security or passphrase field. For security, select WPA2 or WPA3 if available to keep encryption strong. Then type a new, memorable password that meets length and complexity requirements, and double-check you changed the correct band before applying settings. You finish by saving or applying the configuration. Some routers will reboot automatically, and others will prompt you. Confirm the reboot if needed. After the router restarts, reconnect your devices using the updated Wi-Fi password and verify internet browsing works. If you cannot log back into the router or the password change didn't take effect, try clearing your browser cache, recheck admin credentials, or perform a factory reset and reconfigure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.